Now, one of the cool things about GetResponse is they have a built-in landing page system, so you don't need to go, buy any landing page software if you want. You can just use the one that's built into their system. Now, the other thing I want to point out is if you're using the EIM Lead Factory, you don't need landing pages. We just need you to provide us with your API code and stuff. But you still might want to buy solos and do different things. So landing pages are important. Here's the landing page creator. Let's go into create. I'm not going to go through the process of actually creating one. It's going to create for whichever, let me go back, whatever campaign you've got selected, it's going to create that campaign for it. It's going to create that landing page for it. So if we go into landing page, you can look for one that looks good for what you're doing. Maybe just select something like this, loads it up, and then you can modify it to say what you want it to say. You can say 2016, for example. That's the current year. Top marketing trends. That might be good enough right there. Maybe you put in there, how to get rich doing absolutely nothing, which seems to be the favorite thing people to do. But you can modify, you can see, you can add buttons, you can do all sorts of different things to it. And it's going to automatically have your landing page, your information right here for that group that you have. And you just click on next step, and it's going to create a landing page. And it gives you the opportunity to put in the page title information. So I'm going to say bills, GRQ, bills, GRQ, and it's going to give me a domain right here, but I could also create it my QRQ. You can create your own, assign it to your own domain if you want. I just use their root domain that they have. You can publish to Facebook if you want, and that's really all there is to it. You can turn the confirm on or off, confirm opt-in on and off, and then publish. Once you're done, you have a landing page. It really is kind of simple to do this way. And you'll have a link to your landing page. Here it is. Right there. Bill, getrichquick.gra.com. So it's a very simple system for building landing pages, and you can create your own sales funnel, your own email sequence to follow through on that. One of the reasons why I would recommend this to some people that are necessarily promoting even some of the programs that we have with Leaders League 360 and Prime is because I like to differentiate my landing pages over everyone else's. Think about it, there's probably 5,000 people using the same group of landing pages. It makes sense to differentiate. And then you can actually take and use a link shortener service like ClickMagick to make this your own link, and it works just absolutely perfect. So it's another thing to consider with GetResponse.